Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need to act now. Sign into the same Microsoft account and close sticky notes. Once done, open File Explorer and paste %local app data %\Microsoft. Microsoft sticky notes 8 wekib 3d8 bbwe \local state. You're looking for the primary database file named Plum. SQLite, this single file contains all your notes and formatting. Make sure sticky notes is not running. If it is, end the process in Task Manager. This is the only reliable file to copy for a true backup, so locate it before continuing. Once you've found Plum, SQLite, right-click and copy it, also copy settings, data if present. Now paste those files into your chosen backup location, an external drive, a OneDrive folder, or an encrypted archive like zip or 7Z for extra safety. After copying, verify the transfer by checking file size or a quick checksum. This ensures integrity. Make sure to name the backup with a date, for example notes 2025-12-02, so you can identify versions later. To restore, close sticky notes and confirm it's not running in Task Manager. Then replace the current Plum SQLite in the local state folder with your backed up file, keeping file names identical. Once replaced, start sticky notes and sign into the same Microsoft account. Your notes should reappear. If anything goes wrong, make sure the app was completely closed during replacement and check file permissions. You may need to take ownership or run File Explorer as administrator. This single troubleshooting tip solves most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.